Understanding stop short in English. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that can be a little tricky for learners. Stop short. Stick around as we explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it completely. Whether you're just starting out or looking to polish your English, knowing these expressions can make a big difference in sounding natural and fluent. Stop short can be understood in two main ways. Let's start with the literal meaning. Imagine you're walking or driving and suddenly you stop moving before you reach the point where you intended to stop. You've stopped short of your destination. It's like hitting the brakes suddenly when you see something in the road. The word short in this phrase means to stop before a certain point. Now, on to the more figurative or metaphorical use of stop short. In conversation, this phrase often means to abruptly stop doing something before completion or before taking a final step. For example, if you're about to reveal a secret but decide not to at the last moment, you stop short of revealing it. It can also be used to describe interrupting a process or an action. Stop short, in this sense, can apply to stopping yourself or someone else from doing something, often because of a sudden realization, hesitation, or change of circumstances. Let's put stop short into context with some examples. Interrupting an action. She was about to confess, but she stopped short, realizing it wasn't the right time. Avoiding a topic. During the meeting, he stopped short of accusing his colleague, choosing a more diplomatic approach instead. Change of plans. The company was set to launch the new product but stopped short when the design flaws were discovered. By using stop short in different scenarios, you can convey a wide range of actions and emotions with just two words, from caution and hesitation to abruptness and surprise. Here are some quick tips for using stop short effectively. Sense the tone. Stop short often carries a tone of caution or suddenness. Make sure your context supports this feeling. Check the context. Before using stop short, ask yourself if it involves stopping an action just before completion. If so, you're on the right track. Practice with examples. Try creating your own sentences or role-play conversations with a friend to get comfortable using the phrase. And that's a wrap on stop short. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in context can greatly improve your fluency and comprehension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you next time!